Once you found an item that has got demand, hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jack, and in today's video I'm going to be going over 3 steps that you need to be taking if you're brand new to Etsy and you're looking to start your store. I'm sorry it's been a little while since I've posted a video, but I've been really busy with my orders. So I'm making sales, I'm creating listings, and it does keep me very busy. In the free time I get, I like to try and give back and give you guys as much information that I can, the things that helped me grow my store to turning over £5,500 every single month. It can be done, guys, trust me. I've been helping someone get their self off the ground and started, conquering some of their reservations as well that they had when starting their Etsy store. First thing is find a product that's actually in demand. Now, when I started on Etsy, I made the rookie mistake, started listing what I thought people wanted to buy. I had no evidence to back that up. Because I liked the item, I thought other people are going to like the item. Now, that's a lovely way to start a store. It's really nice to share your passion online with other people, especially when it comes to products. However, we need to make sure that people are searching for the items. You can do this using software that's available online. I use Erank, link is in the description. You can check that out as an affiliate link, or you can use other software like Marmalade. You've got Sales Samurai. These programs can actually tell you what people are searching for, so you're not wasting your time trying to sell an item that no one actually wants. So the second thing that we need to be focusing on is the supplier, and thinking about shipping, making sure that that supplier is consistent, that we can get the items that we need to sell our product on a regular basis, and also need to start thinking about the item when it comes to shipping. Now, I know a lot of people that start shops selling larger items. We need to be thinking, can we do this item on scale? Really, the money on Etsy is when you can ship many items at scale in a large volume. You can keep your shipping costs lower, you can keep your packaging costs lower, and it doesn't take as long to make each item before you ship it out. If you're thinking about making high sales, then you need to be shipping high volumes of items, and we need to be thinking about how many of these can I ship a day, how many of these can I get packaged up, how long does it take to make this item, is it scalable, is it something that I can do and mass produce in the future. There's no good starting to sell an item that if your shop does get busy, that you can only sell 10 of them items a month or a couple of them items a week. You've got to be thinking at the beginning, I know it seems a long way off, but try and think, if I made 100 sales this week, would I be able to fulfill them orders? Number 3 is actually ordering your item from your supplier, ordering the pieces you need, whatever you need to make your item, get that on order, get that listing done. Get the photos up there. I've done a video previously about photography. I'd really recommend investing a small amount of money into some photography equipment, maybe good lighting, some photo boxes, some props. That's really going to help your product stand out. Just bear in mind your photos aren't going to be very good at the start, and that's absolutely fine. It's something that you're going to need to do consistently when you're listing your items, and I promise you, you will get better at taking them pictures, and your listings over time will look better. Person I've been working with recently, they've found an item that they like, they're passionate about it, they have an interest. So what we've done, we've gone on to Erank, we've seen, are people searching for this item or something similar that we could sell? And yes, they were. You'll notice on a software like Erank, you can actually see how many people are searching for that item using that keyword, and how much competition, how many other sellers on the marketplace are using that keyword as well. Just got really dark here. So sorry about that. It's good old British weather for you, I suppose. There was a couple of reservations that this person had when I was helping them. Once we'd found the product, we'd gone through, we'd seen that people are searching for it, we'd seen that there's a relatively low competition, we've got the keywords from Erank that people are typing in and searching for that item that they want to sell. Their reservations of actually ordering it, and they said, well, I don't actually want to spend any money ordering the supplies, putting all this effort in if it doesn't sell. And to be honest, guys, that is the risk that you take. When it comes to business, you do need to spend money to make money. You can't get something for nothing. You have to put in before you get back. You reap the reward that you sow. So yes, it is scary taking that risk and ordering supplies and spending money that you're not sure you can afford on supplies. But trust me, it's worth it. Once you start making them sales, that supply cost seems like a big fear in the past. Don't be scared of spending a little bit of money on your equipment, like your photography equipment, on your supplies to get your items made at the beginning. I know it's scary, but you do have to spend that money to make money in the future. Another reservation they had was, my item's not going to be very good, no one's going to want it. Well, we've already seen that people want that item that you're willing to sell. We just need to get better at doing things like the photography and getting them listings up. Trust me, every listing you do will get that much a little bit better. It's really about just taking that step, taking the risk, getting the things ordered that you need, finding the product, and trust me, in the long run, if you put in the hard work, the time, the effort and the consistency, then it will pay off. Every time you make a sale on Etsy, your item will get boosted up the ranks for that keyword in search, or getting higher and higher up in the listing. So that's the video, guys. I hope that's helped, giving you a few steps there that you can focus on. Please don't be afraid to make that first step. Order them supplies, search for the product that people are looking for, and then get it listed. Stick with it. You keep doing your listings. The more listings you get, not only are you going to get better at making them listings and doing your photography, but it's also going to give you more of a chance of being found in the search. So I hope that video is helpful. If you're brand new to Etsy and you're thinking about starting a store, but you're on the fence and you're umming and ahhing about what to do, go onto that software, go onto something like Erank, find an item that you're passionate about, that you would like to sell to other people. Make sure people are searching for their items. If they are, then there you go. Get them supplies ordered, get it made up, and get it listed. You will not regret it, I promise you guys. If you're interested in thumbnails and trying to work on your photography, there are some previous videos that I've done that you can check out. Subscribe to the channel. Please leave me a comment if there's anything that you guys need specific help with, and I will be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.